What are the best Microsoft Dynamics ERP tools for business intelligence and reporting in 2026? This list by the ERP Software Blog recognizes software solutions helping Microsoft Dynamics customers turn ERP data into timely, actionable business insight. These tools are presented in random order. Velixo. Velixo gives finance teams a way to build live, refreshable financial reports directly inside Microsoft Excel, connected to Microsoft Dynamics ERP data. Popdock by eOne Solutions. Popdock offers a no-code iPaaS suite that connects data across dozens of systems and simplifies multi-company reporting for Microsoft Dynamics users. Cosmos Reporting and Analytics by Cosmos Data Technologies. Cosmos Reporting and Analytics is a cloud-native reporting and analytics platform built specifically for Business Central, enabling self-servicing analysis with SQL or DAX coding. Solver. Solver delivers a unified extended financial planning and analysis platform for planning, reporting, consolidation, and analysis across Microsoft Dynamics ERP environments. Conduit BI by Aqueduct Consulting. Conduit BI provides a rapid start reporting approach for Dynamics 365 finance and operations, built on pre-configured reports and a proven semantic model. Also on the list are Dynamics Budget and eOne 365. To see the full list and detailed profiles of each recognized solutions, visit erpsoftwareblog.com.